Welcome back to English Unleashed. In episode 5, we talked about pronunciation, focusing on stress, rhythm, and clarity instead of trying to erase your accent. Today, we are switching from speaking to writing. We are talking about how to write emails, messages, and short texts that sound natural, instead of overly formal or stiff. Let's start with a common issue. Many learners write English the way they were taught in school, long, formal sentences packed with furthermore, moreover, and I would like to inform you. That style has its place, but in everyday emails and messages, it often sounds robotic and distant. So here's your first tip: match your tone to the situation. A message to a friend should sound relaxed and casual. A work email can be polite without being stiff. Before you write, ask yourself, would I actually say this out loud to this person? If the answer is no, simplify it. Second tip: use contractions in casual writing. I'm, your, can't, and don't make your writing sound natural and warm. Avoiding them entirely, even in a friendly text, can make you sound unintentionally formal or distant, even if that's not what you meant. Third tip: write shorter sentences. Long, complex sentences are harder to read and often harder to write correctly. Two short, clear sentences almost always communicate better than one long sentence trying to do too much at once. Fourth tip: use everyday connectors instead of academic ones. Swap furthermore for also, swap in addition to this for plus, and swap consequently for so. These small changes make your writing sound like a real person, not a textbook. Fifth tip: start emails with a natural opening line. Instead of jumping straight into formal business language, try something simple. Hope you're doing well, or thanks for getting back to me. This softens the tone and mirrors how native speakers naturally begin messages. Sixth tip: read your message out loud before sending it. If it sounds strange or overly stiff when spoken, it will likely read that way too. This simple habit catches awkward phrasing faster than reading silently ever will. Let's try an example. Instead of writing, I am writing to inform you that I will be unable to attend the meeting due to a prior commitment, try, hi, just wanted to let you know I can't make the meeting. I've got something else on at that time. Same message, but far more natural and human. That's how writing improves, not through more formal vocabulary, but through natural tone, shorter sentences, and everyday phrasing that mirrors real speech. Next episode, we'll bring everything together and talk about building a daily English habit that actually sticks, long after motivation fades. Until then, keep writing like you speak, and keep unleashing your English. Thanks for listening to English Unleashed. See you next time.